glass recycling functions as a perpetual closed-loop system that directly links consumer disposal to industrial production. This diagram illustrates the three overarching phases of that cycle: collection and transportation, cleaning and sorting, and finally, remanufacturing. The process relies on consumers to act as the catalyst, initiating the loop by returning used bottles to designated collection points. This initial public participation provides the raw material necessary for the industrial stages to function. After collection, trucks move the discarded bottles to centralized facilities for processing. The bottles are washed with high-pressure water, a sanitization step that removes labels, adhesives, and any remaining contents. This logic path shows how the clean glass is then sorted into three distinct color categories: green, brown, and clear. This separation is mandatory because the different chemical properties of each color require them to be handled in isolated processing streams at the factory. Without this specific cleaning and categorization, the glass would be unsuitable for the high-heat manufacturing process that follows. Once inside the factory, the sorted glass is fed into industrial machines and mechanically crushed into uniform fragments. These fragments are heated in a furnace until they reach their melting point and transition into a liquid state. This visualization shows how the recycled liquid merges with a portion of newly produced virgin glass to create the final mixture. The molten blend is then poured into industrial molds to be shaped into new bottles. By this stage, the recycled glass has been fully integrated into the new production batch, resulting in bottles that are identical to those made from entirely new materials. In the final factory stage, the new bottles are filled, labeled, and packaged for distribution. Returning to our initial cycle, trucks deliver the finished products back to supermarkets to be stocked on shelves. The loop is finalized when a customer purchases the bottle, eventually returning it to start the process again. This efficiency makes glass recycling a highly effective closed-loop system. This briefing is brought to you by the IELTS Focus, Zalo 0847 705 973, an English center specializing in IELTS preparation.